Hi everyone, I'm Ayeshri from Clear Tax and today I'm going to tell you the tax benefits available against home loans. To keep the housing sector of India afloat and keep the taxpayers encouraged for buying new homes, the Income Tax Department has provided certain key benefits for those availing home loans for purchase or construction of the house property. The tax benefits available against home loan are deduction towards principal repayment of the home loan under Section 80C. An assessee is allowed a deduction for repayment of the principal component of the housing loan. A deduction is available under Section 80C up to its limit of Rs 1.5 lakh only. However, this deduction will be reversed if the property on which the deduction is claimed is sold within a lock-in period of 5 years from the date of purchase. Also, any expense incurred in respect to the stamp duty, registration charges or any other charges directly associated with the transfer of the property is allowed as deduction under the overall limit of Rs 1.5 lakh of Section 80C. This deduction is allowed only in the year of actual expenditure. Second, deduction of interest on borrowed loan for purchase or construction of a house property under Section 24. For self-occupied residential property, a deduction of Rs 2 lakh is allowed on interest paid towards housing loan. However, the deduction amount allowed is reduced to Rs 30,000 if the construction of the new house property is not completed within 5 years from the end of the financial year in which the loan is borrowed, and in case of the loan availed is for reconstruction, repairs or renewals of the self-occupied residential property. For let-out property, the entire interest incurred on the loan is allowed as deduction, which includes loan availed for acquisition, construction, repairing, reconstruction of let-out property. Interest for the period before the year of acquisition or construction of the house property can be claimed as a deduction in 5 equal installments. The total deduction limit of Rs 2 lakh shall apply for both pre- and post-construction period interest in case of self-occupied property. In case of a let-out property, pre-construction interest can be claimed not more than the limits on set-off of loss arising from excess interest payments. As per set-off provisions, you are eligible to set off house property loss only to the extent of Rs 2 lakh in the current year against income under any head. The balance loss needs to be carried forward to the next 8 years. Additional deduction of Rs 50,000 under Section 80EE. Section 80EE was introduced from the financial year 2017-18 as an additional deduction up to Rs 50,000 for the interest payable on housing loan based on the following conditions. The loan is sanctioned during the financial year of 2016-17. The amount of the loan sanctioned is less than Rs 35 lakhs. The value of the residential property does not exceed Rs 50 lakhs. The assessee is the first time owner of the house property. The interest deduction under Section 80EE is available until the repayment of the loan. Additional interest deduction up to Rs 1.5 lakh under 80EEA. Section 80EEA has been further introduced from the financial year 2019-20 to extend and enhance the benefits allowed under Section 80EE for low-cost housing. Additional deduction of up to Rs 1,50,000 for interest payable on a home loan can be claimed subject to the following conditions. The assessee must be an individual. The loan is sanctioned between 1st April 2019 and 31st March 2021. The value of the residential property does not exceed Rs 45 lakhs. The assessee is the first time owner of the house property as on the date of the sanction of the loan. The individual should not be eligible to claim interest deduction under Section 80EE. Interest deduction in case of joint owners. In case of joint ownership of the houses, wherein the house loan is also sanctioned jointly, all the joint borrowers are eligible to claim the deduction under Section 24 for interest payment up to rupees 2 lakh and deductions under Section 80 EE and Section 80 EEA as the case may be. Further, each joint owner can also claim deduction under Section 80C for principal component repayment up to rupees 1.5 lakh in the tax return individually. The benefits of interest deduction and repayment of housing loan are available to both residentials and non-residents Indians. For more information, you can find the link to this page in the description below. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment, and do subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification every time we upload a new video. Stay tuned for more updates.